Right now is the time of year where a lot of people's credit scores drop quite a bit. And the main reason is because they're going out and they're putting money on their credit cards. So here's a few tips and tricks to improve your credit score if you plan on buying a home in 2024. One, I just kind of mentioned it, and it was keeping those credit card balances down. The ideal amount is 10% of the balance. So let's say you have a credit card that has a $1,000 limit on it. You don't want to have a balance any more than $100. Make sure that there is absolutely zero late payments on there. And finally, don't close any credit cards if you want to keep your credit score higher, because what that's doing is it's getting rid of your established time of credit. If you have any questions about this, please reach out to me at 916-799, and I will go through a full financial plan with you. We can do a soft credit pull for you and show you what we can do to improve your credit scores if you're ready to buy a home in 2024. Thank you so much. Talk to you soon.